3 reasons why you should leave your country and move to Costa Rica. Hey everyone, my name is Harold, and in this video I'm going to give you 3 reasons why, in my opinion, you should leave your country and move to Costa Rica as soon as possible. But before I start, a little bit about myself. My name is Harold. I'm originally from the Netherlands. That's the country that I was born and raised. And since September 2023, I made the decision to leave the Netherlands and move to Costa Rica with my family. Now, my wife is originally from Peru. Our kids were born in the Netherlands. They're 4 and 7 years old. And why we made that decision is because we wanted to escape the rat race. We were sick and tired of, the whole rat race in Western society. And my dream has always been to leave the Netherlands and live in some tropical country. And I've recently studied tropical forestry. So my ultimate goal here in Costa Rica is to start a nature conservation project. And that's why we have decided to move to Costa Rica, to live a different lifestyle away from all the stress and all the, like I said, the rat race in Western society. So 3 reasons why, in my opinion, you should leave your country and move to Costa Rica. Whether you are from somewhere in Europe, maybe you're also from the Netherlands, maybe you're from Belgium or from the UK, or maybe from the US or Canada or whatever. These are 3 reasons why I think you should move to Costa Rica. Reason number 1, Costa Rica is a very stable country as compared to other countries in Central and South America. First of all, Costa Rica doesn't have an army. That's what Costa Rica is maybe most famous for. They don't have an army. So that is what I found very attractive about Costa Rica. No army. We can all agree that nobody wants war. Why should you have an army when you don't have anything that people want here? Well, the natural resources, but I think no country is going to fight for the rainforest here or the wildlife or whatever. So next to that, healthcare is very good. Hospitals, doctors, clinics, they're all well known for their, a good quality healthcare system. Not only for foreigners, but also for nationals. And another reason, maybe the only country that I'm aware of in Central and South America where you can drink water from the tap. You can easily and without any problems drink water from the tap here. Like I've said, my wife is originally from Peru. When we are in Peru on holiday or to visit family, we always have to buy bottles or packages of water, and it's always the same. It's always the same struggle because you have to be careful not to run out of water, and so here you can just, without any problems, drink water from the tap. Now, second reason is Costa Rica is very expat friendly. If you want to come here as a foreigner, you can get a tourist visa for a maximum of 180 days. So 6 months, you can travel here or do whatever you like here for 6 months in a row. Now, there's not many countries where you can get free access or at least a free tourist visa for 180 days. Another reason why Costa Rica is expat friendly is you can easily buy a car here. You don't need a residency here to buy a car, or you can easily buy real estate here. You can buy a house, you can buy a piece of land, you can open a bank account. It's a little bit more complicated, but as a foreigner, you can open a bank account here. So for me, as a digital nomad, I consider myself as a digital nomad. I work online, I have my laptop business, I work as an affiliate marketer. That is very attractive about Costa Rica. By the way, if you're interested in how I'm earning my money online with affiliate marketing, please check out the link in the description of this video, and you can learn more about what is affiliate marketing, how does it work, what do you need, and so please check out the link in the description of this video. So that is the second reason why you should move to Costa Rica. It's very expat friendly. It's very safe here. Of course, crime exists here, but in what country does crime not exist? Every country. I'm originally from the Netherlands. I mean, come on. Crime exists everywhere. If you are from the US, maybe in the larger cities, there's crime everywhere. Come on, people. I have never felt unsafe here, even in San Jose, the capital. We are about 3.5 hours southeast of the capital, San Jose, and we're not living in the middle of the city. As you can see, we're living a little bit outside, surrounded by tropical nature, and I have never felt unsafe here. Never a single moment that I have felt unsafe here. So Costa Rica is relatively safe. Always, think about what you're doing. Don't. It's advised not to drive at night here. Not walk around. Maybe if you're a woman, don't walk around alone in certain areas here or in the capital. But that is common sense, But no, I've never a single moment that I have felt unsafe here. So third reason is the abundant tropical nature. This is the main reason why I came here. There's national parks, there's nature everywhere. The whole country is green as can be. And although deforestation is still going on here, like in every tropical country, deforestation is still going on here. A lot of foreigners are moving here, so new houses are being built, new infrastructure, but that's not only a problem of Costa Rica, but what I'm trying to say is that although deforestation still is going on here in this country, Costa Rica is a very eco-friendly country. There are many initiatives, incentives and projects to reforest the land, to expand the forest that already exists, reforestation, nature conservation, restoration. Not a lot of countries have these kind of initiatives from the government. They have a program called Fauna Vivo. I don't know all the details of this program, but if you decide to start a nature conservation project, and if the project is a little bigger than like a few hectares of reforestation, but if you have a big project going on here, nature conservation or reforestation, the government has a really nice program to help you restore or reforest the land here. So, and of course, there are always people who would say, "Oh, nature is getting destroyed here. Everything is going to be deforested." Well, maybe it from the surface, it looks like that. But trust me, I'm a tropical forest engineer, and Costa Rica is a very eco-friendly country and has a lot of initiatives to help restore and reforest the land. So that's actually the main reason why I came here, to enjoy nature. I am a tropical nature enthusiast. I like snakes, I like reptiles, I like birds. I'm an enthusiastic bird watcher. I mean, come on, what is not to like about nature here? There's wildlife everywhere. Some people don't like that, but I love it. I mean, that's what I live for the tropical nature and tropical wildlife. So Those are actually the 3 reasons why you should leave your country and move to Costa Rica as soon as possible. It's a very stable country, it's very expat friendly, and nature is all around. It's a very compact country, it's very small. As compared to the Netherlands, it's maybe twice the size, but only a couple of million people live here. So you can find harmony and peace and quietness here. Everything is well connected. Most of the roads here are in good shape, well maintained, and so there's 1,000 more reasons what I can think of, but I'm going to keep it with these 3 reasons. So if you would like to know more about how I moved to Costa Rica, how I'm earning an online income, my adventures here in Costa Rica, my bird watching adventures here, my nature and wildlife encounters here in Costa Rica, consider yourself subscribing. Consider subscribing yourself to my channel. As I've mentioned before, please check out the link in the description of this video if you want to learn more about how I'm earning an online income with affiliate marketing. And that's it for this video. Give a thumbs up if you like the content, and see you in the next video. All right, bye bye.